What's going on, guys? Today I got something really cool I want to show you, and that is the Panda Touch by Big Tree Tech here. If you guys aren't familiar, this is essentially a screen that you can add to your Bambu Lab P1P, or honestly, you could use it with any printers that are Bambu Lab, which is kind of cool. You can actually connect to multiple printers with this thing. I'm actually running it off the battery right now, but it's really nice. Like, if I wanted to, I could go over here and then just like snap this into place on its mount, and now it's mounted to my P1P. What I like about this is it allows you to manipulate your printer just like you would with the X1C behind me by using the display directly on the printer without having to use your computer or a mobile device. So you can see it comes right off here, off this little magnetic plate, which I've got a video, or I've got some footage I recorded at least of me putting this on so you can see what that looks like. But you can see here, this is what the back of the unit looks like. It's got a couple of magnets here that actually connect. You can run it directly off DC power, or you could opt to have it run through battery, which is what I'm doing right now, so I could actually hold it and control the printer remotely. So you can connect this to multiple printers, so this is what it looks like, but you can press this button here. And as you can see, I've got my P1P connected, but I could just click that little button right there and add another printer right there on the spot. And you can see that it's already configured, ready to go, so you can add a P1P, P1S, X1C, and A1 Mini, and I'm sure the A1, once they start shipping again, will be on here as well. So what I would like to do, though, is show you guys how you can control the printer. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the aperture so you can see this a little better. So from the home screen here, you can hit these little sliders here and actually maneuver it just like you would with the X1C over here. So let's see what I can do here. So I can press the home button, and it's actually going to go ahead and run the homing feature of the P1P to make sure the head and the bed are at the perfect level. So one thing I do like on here is the fact that under this filament section, you can actually change what type of filament you're printing with and the color, so you have an idea of what it's going to look like. I believe that this is going to be supporting your print profiles here in the future. So now that we have it centered here, for instance, I could go here and go to the axis, and I'm just going to move it so you can see the X head is moving. This is so cool to be able to control this remotely. So I'm going to go ahead and home it again. So I could definitely see how the Panda Touch here could add a whole new level of controlling multiple printers at one time. I think that this is great for somebody that is going to be using multiple 3D printers, specifically Bambu Lab, of course, and you want to control them all from one device. This is great. If you had a print farm set up, being able to manipulate them all from here, really awesome. So I'm going to keep playing around with it, see if I can find some other cool things about it. So this is just a little overview video of what to expect if you get a Panda Touch. God, I love the way that snaps into place there. I'm going to be doing some more in-depth stuff. If you have any questions that you would like me to answer about the Panda Touch, make sure to drop them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. As always, thanks so much for taking time to watch my video. I'll see you next time.